such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So right now I'm just putting my earrings back on. I always take my earrings off before bed, and I never used to until one time I was watching a video about a lady, and she had, you ever see those people who have slits in their ears, like their earlobe is completely split, like somebody just took their earring and yanked it out? Well, this lady was saying that she would go to bed with her earrings on, and her earrings would snag on the pillowcases and snag in her hair, and over time, just with all the snagging, her lobe like started getting longer and longer and longer, and the slit got longer and longer and longer in her lobe. I was like, that's all you gotta tell me? That's all I need to know. So I take off my earrings at night, and I usually put them on before I go out. Plus it's nice, you know what I mean? It's like the finishing touch. When you're finished with your outfit, then you go choose whatever earrings you're gonna put on, and it's so feminine to do it. I don't know, shut up, Michelle. So today I am doing a video, and like you saw in the introduction, she's a beautiful curly wig from Ashimary hair. And I love this blue, I love this teal color. So thank you, Ashimary, for being so patient with me. So today's look is you got something to say? Sugar Waffle wants to be in the frame. Anyway, me and Sugar Waffle have been going through some things, and you know, friendships get tested, and we are just now getting back to normal. So we're all happy that she took time out of her busy schedule to be with us today. Anyway, so here are some things that were included in my box to help me with my installation today. Got some lash. I put some more lashes on Shakopala because her eyes were looking kind of bare. And I don't know why, but I used eyelash glue instead of just like super glue. So here's the hair. A virtual cacophony of twists and curls and waves. This is actually the water wave. She came pre-cut because she is in the family of Ashimary's Invisistrap line. Michelle, what's the Invisistrap? I don't know what that is. So this is the amount of parting space you get on this wig. It's a lot. It comes with their crystal adjustable strap. She's got 2 temple combs and 1 nape comb. So the strap is going to be doing some heavy lifting in concordance with this Invisistrap. Invisistrap is this system where you put the wig on your head and you tighten both of these. It's got this little silicone lock right here, so the more you pull, you push that up and it locks it into place. This is going to allow you to do glueless updos. As you can tell, I kind of pulled a little bit because I was playing with it, so it's a little bunched up, but you get the idea. Once you put the wig on your head and you pull this strap, it like cinches in. This is one time that I would not advise laying down your edges on the back of your neck. She came pre-plucked, thank you so much. And she came pre-bleached, which means she is ready to put on my head. Now the goal is to recreate this hairstyle. Let me show you the hairstyle and this gorgeous model. Look at this gorgeous woman. All right, so I'm gonna try to recreate this exact hairstyle because it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to adhere this with this lace melt spray in the purple can. Then I'm gonna give you the close-up of the hairline and all that good stuff, ear flaps. One thing I will say though, be very careful that you don't cut this, okay? Because then you're gonna be fighting for your life. No.
They said she won't work the way that I want. It don't matter cause I want you the most. And if I can't be close to you, no matter what I try to do, another 100 times I make it right next to you. My memories follow me until I get it right. Whoa, nah, 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 oh baby, oh yeah. The smell of you, I know it's right in the air. I'm still chasing you cause I know this is not enough. If you can be next to me, we'll feel like we're just meant to be. I need you for life. If I don't make it tonight, then luckily there's always tomorrow in my formula. 오늘은 꼭 널 찾을게. Formula. 너
madness. Absolute madness. I don't know how people do that every day. Listen, I tried, man. I tried to do it just like the girl. I'm over here fighting for my life, but I thank the Lord for always being with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull this hair up into a ponytail so I can show you what the back looks like, because these straps is making me look like I wear face tape and I don't. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'm coming right back.
Rain, 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive. Hush, fame, 그 Grammy 너를 take 매일 갖고 싶어만 생각하면 높이 날아. I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now. It's now or never, babe. I just wanted you to see it's natural desire, cause you need me right now, now. With you, I can feel it in my body. With you.
Okay, so makeup's all done and it looks beautiful. So I'm ready to engage the Invisa straps. I already have my mirror set up behind me, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this curly wig into an updo without any back talk, okay? No talk back, without any glue or adhesive, all right? So I'm pulling the wig down in the back. It's a little loose, but it's gonna be a lot tighter when I engage this. So I'm pulling it down, and I want it to be about right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull this tight.
Don't tell me your last name. You make me go insane.
And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side.
I'm afraid you're seeing that 마음 깊이. Always running out of time. Yeah. Take it slow and
so that's it, y'all, and it is on. When I tell you I'm shaking it and it's not going no worse. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this excess off for my own peace of mind. I'm just gonna tie a knot.
It's natural desire, cause you need me right now. With you.
So after the wig is on, you can use a straightening comb and you could straighten out the back if you want it real sleek. If you just want it messy, like a messy bun, you could leave it like it is. Now if you're paranoid, you can take some tendrils, pull them out like this. You can curl them up, make them look cute, cover up anything you don't want people to see. Somebody told me that the back of your head is your business too, because usually I say it's not, but it is, so they call me out.
She knows I'm feeling dually extra.
How would they know?
And that is how you can do a cute little 20-second updo with the straps. So now the back of this wig is locked and secure and it's going nowhere. I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair in the way that I saw that picture.
난 담배째를 또 태워도 내 생각 안 나 너의 모습이 또 하나 더. Take it slow baby, go with your own rhythm, yeah. I don't want you to just rush in, no. 생각 그만하지 않은 생각도 돼.
Y'all, I seriously underestimated how big of a arm workout that was gonna be. They about to fall off. All right, so now I'm just separating these curls to try to make it look more like the picture. And I kind of low-key wish I did my whole head with this smaller barrel because these curls are so much more fun. So one thing, I did not realize how long this wig is. I mean, I know I said it was 26 inches, but when you say 26 inches and then you try to curl 26 inches, baby. So it is something I normally don't do with my curly units. Ashimary makes a good curly unit, and I don't really like altering the curl pattern on this, but I was going for that specific style, so I kind of had to alter it a bit. So here's the first style. The hair curled really well, and I'm going to go ahead and do the updo, which is the reason why I did all these curls in the first place. Now I'm going to put it up. I don't know if my claw clip is ready to battle with all this, but we're going to see what happens.
So I just want you to know when it's time to say yes. We don't need to know just where to go.
Okay, y'all, do my little turnaround. She's daring, she's sleek, she is that moment. I look like Regina from Living Single. Oh, in the 90s kind of world, oh, there I got my girl. Now don't y'all get on to me about these baby hairs. Y'all tried my best. I do not do baby hairs because I don't know how. And I don't really like them hard, so I kind of like fluff them up a little bit, but I'm scared, y'all. It took a lot of tears to put these on my head. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But that's it. That is how I got this cute little updo. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. And thank you, Ashimary, for this wig. The thing about it is, doing an updo on yourself, that is a level of skills I don't think I possess. I like to think I do. This just makes it a little bit easier for the girls who want to, and no glue in the back is necessary. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
A galaxy away from my home.